How you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a latch on a sliding glass door. This latch is supposed to spring out, but the spring inside is broke. See, it's supposed to flip out just like that. Sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. As you see, once you close it, see, that time it worked. Now it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to show you how to replace this latch. First thing we're going to do is remove these two screws. There's a pin on the outside that you have to hold, or the whole thing will turn. So you hold with one hand, and the other hand you can use your screwdriver to remove the screws. Once you remove the screws, the handles will come off. Next, we got to take out these two screws here and here. Before we do that, you need to take some needle nose vice grips and clamp onto the latch so it will not fall inside the door. Now that the screws are out, push down and then tilt and lift up, and it slides right out. Here is the broken spring. As you can see, one part of it is broke off. I went to Ace Hardware and picked this one up. I carried the old one to make sure they matched. You want to be sure they're the same size because they do sell different sizes of these. The back shows you the measurements and everything that you need. Now that I have the new one, you pretty much do it in reverse. Tilt it in the angle, put the bottom in first, and then tilt and slide it up. And now you just need to put in your two new screws. Once you get the screws in and tight, you can remove the vice grips. Now to put the handle back on, you have to line up. There's a slotted hole right there that the lock goes through. It has a pin and you have to line that in. Then you put the back side of your screws in to help hold it in place. Once you hold your pins in on one side, you repeat the operation on the other side. You line up the lock once again to that slotted hole, and then you can start both screws. Once you get both screws in and tight, you're all done. Now it works as good and tight. Y'all don't forget to subscribe and set that notification, and thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day.